Hey, what's up? This is another session of Team Random. Someone's spying on us. We don't like to be spied on. So we're gonna see if we can take out that camera right there. My aim's a little off, but with every shot, I'm getting closer. Okay, that was a bitch throw, but... So it's spinning that way, so that means I gotta...
You wanna try diamond?
Wait, if it's spinning that way, that means I should... Find rocks. Hit these birds over here. You can find all kinds of things. Just gotta look. This could be used as kindling. Make a fire for later. We're actually gonna save that in my pants for later. Actually, we're gonna need this. Oh, and I see some paper tubing. I'm actually gonna save this tube for later too. We might need it. Don't know where we're gonna need it. A sparrow. We're gonna get it. Noise. Found an animal trail. You might be able to find something here. Be careful. Hear a woodpecker somewhere. Lots of. I nearly struck out on all of them. Raised one. A northeastern whitetail. Couldn't be my last chance. It's getting dinner. All the sun's blinding me. Can't see. Not even close. Well, Mexican boys use these. They call them resorteras. They grab rocks. Just grab rocks you find on the ground. They use them as high-speed projectiles. Just grab a couple. You can see these. I need some protein too. There's a little ant. There's lots of little critters. If you just look under a rock, you'll find all sorts of little things. Oh look. Guess this one's a bus. But I am starting to get hungry. Maybe there's one under here. Okay. Oh, this is. Oh, what are those things? Are those termites? Oh, did not mean to open up that. What the fuck are those, Marcos? I don't like those. I'm not gonna eat them. Alright, I got... It looks like these Birds are making a mockery of protein. Just give me just enough protein I need. Pound for pound, insects pack more protein than beef. Daylight. Oh, I found a luxury bird home. Maybe if I knock it loose, maybe one might want to come out. I'm dangerously low on energy. Okay. I found a little lamb. Let's see if I can catch it. Giving up on the lamb, I see a nice little sparrow. Just right over there. Let's go stealthily. Oh, shit. Oh, these little buggers. Oh, I see. Oh, right there. Perfect. Old campground. We might be able to use this. Oh no, I see a mysterious man. He goes by the name of Charlie. Locals say he once ate a bear. We need to find the best one. Or the biggest one, the biggest target. The little ones are so hard to get. There was a bird in there. Ow. Oh shit, that went real through. Let's see how many I can go through. Right here, look, watch. Here, I'm done. It keeps hitting me. Too many birds, too fast. My skills aren't that great on the slingshot. I've actually lost it. A bird got a hold of it and took off with it. But I've stumbled across a strange land. I've never seen this before. Rubbish. Ancient statues of babies and holding some sort of crazy man. Don't know if there's any predators in there. Back, taunting me. But for now, we come inside. Someone's baby. I've stumbled across food. Chicken looks like it. I think I'm gonna be okay. What was that? It's an ambush. Now run. shit. We just made it. Barely alive. Back for a second time. I've got my weapon. I feel a little bit confident. I'm ready. First, you want to wash your hands. You've got to always sanitize your hands properly. Don't know what kind of infection you'll get. You might get diarrhea, get dehydrated. Okay, we're gonna have to continue this because I'm like already tired. What? What? He's not in on it.